Yo guys, this is Chris and I am back with my annual Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. This time around the Lucky Bags were shipped out a little bit late due to Corona, of course. But I'm so excited because I just got in the mail like an hour ago and I got myself ready like super fast. Like this is the fastest I ever put makeup on and clothes on. I literally look like a gremlin before this. So I'm gonna just unbox this for you and get it going. So let's do this thing. I ended up getting the regular Lucky Bag. The Lucky Bag, the $150 bags were sold out for those who signed up early. But they did have some in stock for those who didn't sign up. So I should have done that, but I was like, it's okay. I always get the same box every year. So this year I decided to just do the same normal box. Oh, this is so cute. The wrapping paper, the way they package this is always my favorite. This reminds me of my childhood. Oh, it's so cute. Let's open this up. Let's do this really fast. I'm not going to talk. I just want to open up because I've been seeing a lot of YouTube videos already. And I'm so excited to figure out what is in my box. Oh, let's put my knife away and not eat my hair. Ooh, they wrapped it up in here. Oh, I'm so excited. I really want Hindash. Actually, I want everything because these bags are like the best bags out of all the like mystery bags. This one by far the #1 most favorite bag. So I'm gonna do the little one. I know it's gonna be a brush and it's gonna be a SONIA G. I love SONIA G brushes. I always get them through my Lucky Bag, so I have one already from a previous bag, and this is the soft shader. So here it is. These are so nice. I absolutely love SONIA G brushes. This is cool. I'm excited. So you got a SONIA G brush going. Let's put that behind me. And we have what? Infinite Chrome Flakes multi-chrome gel for eyes and face. Okay, I don't know exactly. Flakes. So I used to do a lot of really fun makeup. Like I would do a bunch of different colors on my eyeballs, and then I just became a basic bitch because doing like cool colorful makeup takes a long time. But I believe this is just fun flakes to put on your eye, which I don't have, but the bottle looks very cool. Ooh, do you want me to open it? Should I do it? Let's just go for it. Oh wow, it's like gel. Check this out. I'm just gonna rub a little bit on me. What? Oh, it's just little, you know, glitter spectacles. Something totally Lisa Frank 90s going on here to put on your eye. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna use this as much. I'm not like crazy for cool like multi-chromatic looks, which I should do one day just for fun. You know what, just because of this I'm inspired to do a look, and I'll probably post it on my Instagram. Okay, that's cool. All right, here we go. Ooh, Illuminating 6. Oh, I have glitter all over me. Ooh, Illuminating 6 from RCMA makeup. This is so cool because it's always so different. Ooh, champagne, rose, and bourbon. These are the sticks. I can use this for like a highlighter. This is the rose color. Very creamy, very pretty. This is a cool, neat idea to do. These little highlighting sticks like lipsticks, and this one, bam. Awesome. I don't think I'm going to use this as much, but it's always nice to have. All right, so you got this. All right, on to the next item. I've been really wanting the Hindash, but what is this? I don't think this is it. I don't think I got anything Hindash. I'm gonna be so sad. It's okay. This, oh, I got Wayne Goss. I absolutely love Wayne Goss's YouTube channel. You guys need to subscribe to Wayne Goss. Wayne Goss is like the best. And I'm so excited I got his palette. I'm a neutral type of girl. Are they any mattes? Okay, there's like just one matte color. I'm not much of a sparkly, glittery person, so I like it's big. And it has a mirror. Look, it's me within me within me. What is this? Is this what is it? Oh, MFD for Surat, New York. Okay, we'll see. It is a very nice reddish, I guess, lipstick. Lip gloss? No, it's lipstick. Of course it's lipstick. This is pretty. I'm not going to put it on. I mean, I already have so many lips stuff. And I'm set for my favorites. But I can give this a try. Or I can, like, give it away. I don't know. This is nice. Oh, you know what? I don't think I even showed it to you that well. Oh my god, I'm such a horrible YouTuber. I'm actually should be working right now. That's why I'm going so fast. But here is the color. Put it on Skelly Men. I have not seen this product in anyone's YouTube yet. Okay. We have one more product. I know, I'm so disappointed because I already know what this is. Good Molecules, again, for like the 3rd year in the row, I don't know. I always get a Good Molecules product. And this is the last one. Oh, it is the last one. Okay, goodbye, box. Oh, shit. So I have a Good Molecules Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel. I mean, I've used all of the Good Molecule products that I get, but they don't do anything for me. I'm like already set with my cleanser. Like I already found my cleanser, what I need. I don't like changing it up because once I do, my skin gets worse. So I don't think I'm going to use this because I already know it's not going to work for me. It's a Rosewater Cleansing Gel. This is a huge product. So I might list this on my Poshmark. Might give it away. Who knows? It's a gentle cleanser to balance and brighten skin. I have a little bit of rosacea, so I already have my own cleanser that I use for my face that if I switch it off, I get more red for some reason, so I have to use that cleanser. So I don't really use cleansers. And I had, so in one previous video, I had the under eye brightener and I used it for like every single day, twice a day. I saw no difference in that product, 0 difference. But I'm sure it'll work for someone out there, but it won't work for me. I'm a little disappointed that I got something that I'm not going to use, but I'm going to give it away and make someone else happy. Let's put it that way. So, all the products that I got, let's do a recap. So I got the Good Molecules. I have the Surratt Red Lipstick in Oh La Mar. I got the awesome Wayne Goss eye palette. I have the illuminating sticks that are like lipsticks from RCMA. And I got this like glittery thing for your eyeballs. I mean, on top of your lids, not inside your eyeballs, but you can put it inside your eyeballs and see what happens. And I got the Sonia G brush. I love her brushes. Yes, that is it. I gotta say, my favorite product will be Wayne Goss. Everything else is Wayne Goss and this. I'm dropping everything all the time. I already like broke the palette into pieces. But yeah, these are all the products that I got, including one that fell on the floor. But you know, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Yeah, 75 bucks. I'm sure this is way over $75. Definitely way over that. It's not bad. I like the surprise of it. I really was hoping for something Hindash because I love Hindash and his YouTube. But yeah, that is it, guys. That is my Beautylish Lucky Bag 2022 unboxing. I didn't even know where to look to when I record these iPhone videos, but thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a like, and let me know what you got in your lucky bag or what item you lacked from one of these, or if you want one of these. I'll probably list them on my Poshmark for super cheap. I'll list all the details below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll catch you next time. Bye. Oh, wait, where is it? Oh, right here? I don't like this. I miss my old camera. Ooh, wait, no. Boop.